This is a new generation of industrial laser welding tools. Compared with traditional devices, it enables more precise welding, produces fewer sparks, and doesn't damage floors or walls. Moreover, the emission of welding fumes is significantly lower than that of traditional methods. There are no complicated settings, just plug it in, and then you can start working. The power consumption is only 1 Joule for 6 hours of use. The device allows for easy welding, rust removal, and cutting. Our service guarantees that within 10 years, you will receive a free replacement of the device in case of any quality-related issues. The first 100 customers who place an order today will additionally receive anti-slip gloves and a welding instructional video completely for free. Click on the link to place an order and say goodbye to rust and dangerous sparks forever.